Hi everyone, this is Amy Flowers and this is my Webcom presentation, exploration, whatever you want to call it. I'm using Anymeeting like it looks like a lot of people did. Um, so this is the page setup, most of you have seen it already. Um, Here's my chat, attendees, so far it's just me, where I can share my screen, share a YouTube, share a PDF or a PowerPoint, and take a poll. Here is where I can do the webcam, but I have been painting all day outside in the wind and I'm not gonna scare you guys this evening. This is where the microphone's working, the notes page, where you can do shared public notes and my private notes. You can also make this available to presenters only and allow them to edit the notes and whatnot. Here is where you can share your mood, have students raise hands, yes, no, where you end the meeting. Most of my presentations I think would probably be done in Q&A mode. Just it's too distracting to have everybody unmuted.
All attendees are muted and may unmute themselves by pressing *6.
That is also extremely obnoxious. Hopefully somebody will be able to figure out how to turn that off. So when I was exploring, I first came up here to the share options. I went ahead and downloaded the software to share my screen. So, and of course, slow internet connection. I don't think it's all that slow, but I kind of saw that on a bunch of different presentations. So anyways, you just click on this share full screen and it brings you to this, and we wait for a few moments and bring up the content we wish to share. So obviously you guys can only see what's on my Screencast-O-Matic, but I'll just bring up some random picture in a file I had. So, you know, this is, I think, what you all can see. So I will close that now and get rid of this. And I can click stop screen sharing and hopefully, there we go, it will stop sharing what I had on my screen. I think that is also a way to share an application on a web browser. So if I wanted to pull up an additional web browser, I could do that as well and share something that way too. To share a YouTube video, you just come in here, copy paste. Oops, sorry. Oh, that's right, I had to restart my computer to get this all working, so I lost my copy paste. I'll do that while we're looking at something else, sorry. Come over here and upload. This, you can only do a PDF or a PowerPoint. You can't bring up a Word document in this part or anything else, so that is where you would have to download the software to do the screen sharing if you wanted to share a Word document, any type of picture like a JPEG or anything like that. So again, this is, I just created a little file, so you'll see here only PDFs and PowerPoints are able to be shared under this sharing part. So click this to get rid of that silly little screen. There's my link, open the presentation, and there we go. This is just the one that we did for our assignment a little bit ago. I didn't create a new one. Sorry. So we could talk along with it. We could also share the link if you saw it there under the thing. We can share the download link with our students. Here we can also create a poll. I had already created one. My question was red or green, the state question for New Mexico. Obviously nobody's voted, but so that's how you would create that. So the YouTube video, you would just come in here, edit, copy your little video, and it would play right away in there. And then there was no whiteboard in this thing, but one whiteboard application I had found on my iPad, it's called Doceri, Doceri, and it's a free app for the iPad. I think you have to pay for it after 30 days on your desktop, but it is an app that will you can sync up with your desktop. And I was thinking for an instructor who taught a class that was a hybrid, it would be a really cool thing because you could be drawing on the iPad and it would show up on a screen, and if you're in any meeting or something like that that doesn't have a whiteboard app, it would be a really cool thing to do. So let me pull it over here actually, because since I'm on screencast I can bring it up for you guys. So it's just this Doceri, and it's like I said, it's free. It's a free app on your iPad, and I've used it on the iPad, and it's really actually pretty cool. And it'll record it for you, and you can type in it now. I think that's kind of new since I used it last. It's been a while, so something to look into for you guys in your classrooms. I'm not in the classroom quite yet. So anyways, I thought Anymeeting was actually pretty cool, and I was excited. I was a little nervous to kind of get into this assignment because I thought it would be fairly complicated, and once I got into Anymeeting, I was pleasantly surprised at how easy it was. Once I played around in it for about 2 minutes and everything, it took me a little longer to figure out to restart my computer to get my internet working than it did to figure out Anymeeting. So anyways, I would love to hear any of your guys' ideas on how to turn off that annoying little person that talks. But other than that, thanks for listening.